The power of presentation. Putting your best face forward every day. We all have busy lives. It's easy to let taking care of ourselves slip down the priority list. But did you know that taking just 15 minutes each morning to focus on your appearance can make a huge difference in your day? It's true. When you look good, you feel good. And when you feel good, you radiate confidence. This isn't about vanity, it's about self-care. It's about putting your best foot forward and presenting yourself to the world with confidence. Small steps in your beauty routine can lead to big changes in how you feel. Let's explore how to make the most of those precious morning minutes. This essay is your guide to a quick and easy beauty routine that will leave you feeling ready to take on the world. A radiant start, your 15-minute morning skincare routine. The key to a quick and effective beauty routine is simplicity. Start your day by giving your skin a little TLC. A refreshed face sets the tone for a positive day. Begin by splashing your face with cool water. This helps to wake up your skin and reduce any puffiness. Next, apply a gentle cleanser to remove dirt and impurities. Massage it in circular motions for a minute, then rinse thoroughly. After cleansing, it's time to hydrate. Apply a lightweight moisturizer to your face and neck. Look for one with SPF to protect your skin from the sun's harmful rays. Remember, sunscreen is crucial, even on cloudy days. Now take a moment to appreciate your glowing skin. See, that only took a few minutes, and your skin is prepped for the day. Effortless elegance makeup tips for a natural glow. Makeup is a powerful tool. It can enhance your features and give you a boost of confidence. But we don't want to spend hours on a full face of makeup every morning. The goal is a natural, effortless look that can be achieved in minutes. Start by applying a tinted moisturizer or BB cream to even out your skin tone. Choose a shade that matches your skin color for a seamless finish. Use your fingers to blend it in, starting from the center of your face and working outwards. Next, add a touch of color to your cheeks with a cream blush. Smile in the mirror and apply it to the apples of your cheeks, blending upwards towards your temples. For your eyes, a quick swipe of mascara is all you need to open them up and make them appear brighter. Finally, finish with a tinted lip balm or a lipstick in a natural shade. And voila! You've enhanced your natural beauty in just a few minutes. Taming the main quick and easy hairstyles for busy mornings. Now, let's move on to hair. You don't need an elaborate hairstyle to look and feel put together. The goal is to find a quick and easy style that works for you and your hair type. If you have long hair, try a sleek ponytail. Gather your hair at the crown of your head and secure it with a hair tie. For a more polished look, take a small section of hair from the ponytail and wrap it around the base to conceal the hair tie. Secure it with a bobby pin. For shorter hair, a headband can be a lifesaver. Simply slip on a headband and push it back slightly to create a bit of volume at the crown of your head. This instantly adds a touch of style to your look. And if all else fails, embrace your natural texture. Whether your hair is straight, wavy, or curly, there's beauty in embracing its natural state. Use a texturizing spray or serum to enhance your natural waves or curls, and you're good to go. Confidence booster. The final look. Take a moment to look in the mirror. You've cleansed, moisturized, and applied minimal makeup. Your hair is styled, and you look and feel refreshed, see? That didn't take long at all. The most important accessory you can wear is confidence. When you feel good about yourself, it shows. Your inner confidence shines through, making you even more radiant. Remember, this is just a starting point. Feel free to adjust this routine to suit your preferences and lifestyle. The key is to find what makes you feel your best and stick with it. Ready to conquer the day, embrace your inner and outer beauty. In a world that often pressures us to strive for perfection, remember that true beauty lies in embracing your individuality. This 15-minute routine is not about transforming into someone you're not. It's about enhancing your natural beauty and boosting your confidence. So, set your alarm clock 15 minutes earlier and give yourself the gift of self-care. You deserve to look and feel your best every single day.